put the grill on. All the rims are on there. Hey, how's it going, guys? So we are gonna start working on the Civic today. We're gonna be prepping this thing to resell. My ghetto stick holding up the hood. So I'm gonna just start by cleaning up some of the stuff around here and just cleaning out the outside and just getting it ready. As you can see, the radiator's aftermarket, so we're missing a lot of stuff here. We got wires everywhere. This is what actually turns on the radiator. So I'm just gonna clean it up and get it prepped for resale. All right, guys. Alright guys, so we just finished washing her. Unfortunately, my camera died while I was washing her, but cleaned out pretty good. Wheels came out pretty good. Paint sucks, so it's not like we're gonna get some great polish paint. I do have the grill. I'll be putting it on a little bit later today. Motor actually came out pretty good. It's all cleaned out now. So I'll give you guys a complete shot once we're completely done. It's all cleaned out. And we'll get some pictures and get it listed.
Several days later.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna be installing this cluster in this Civic. The thing about this Civic, it had an SI cluster with 178,000 miles, I believe so, but I'm gonna remove it because, as you guys know, I have the other Civic and I wanted to use that cluster on mine. So I went to a junkyard and purchased this cluster here. I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. Fairly simple. Lights are on. Got the lights on. Turn signals. And then we'll crank it on. So this doesn't have the RPM gauge. You basically have the motor temperature. You have just a basic gauge cluster, the speedometer and the fuel. That pretty much completes all of it. Another thing that I did remove was a Pioneer radio that it had. Found this cheap radio on Amazon for $16. Comes with a remote. Just a basic radio. This one has a JDM. Sorry about the lighting guy. The JDM plate covering the middle part, so the radio does go down there. So we cleaned it up pretty well. Let me just pull the car out and I'll give you guys a walkthrough of everything. You can see we cleaned it up. Got the LS wheels cleaned up. Paint sucks on this car, so we're gonna be selling it really cheap. We'll walk through the outside. It does have HIDs. We'll put the grill on. All the rims are on there. The interior is so basic. They did do the newer dash on this one. So we put the cluster. We got the new radio in. Still a little dusty inside, but yeah, we're gonna clean it up. Maybe a little more. I mean, that's probably as best as it's gonna get. It's an older, cheap car. Motor cleaned out well as well. Got the filter on. Cheap little car. Running car, brand new battery. Good to go. Alrighty guys, well that's the end of this video. I appreciate you guys watching. Please remember to hit the like button and share. Got a couple of more things coming for the Civic, the bone stock Civic. I did order some parts and we should have them in the mail sometime next week, so just stay in touch and keep watching for the updates. And again, thanks for watching guys.